Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your distribution list to Excel in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to share contact information with colleagues, create backups of your important lists, or simply organize your contacts outside of Outlook for reporting purposes. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and data. This ensures that all your contact lists and distribution groups are properly synced and ready to work with. Once everything has loaded up, look toward the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the File tab. This is your gateway to all the import and export functions in Outlook. After clicking File, a new menu will appear on your screen. From the options presented, locate and click on Open and Export. This section contains all the tools you need for managing data transfers in and out of Outlook. Once that menu expands, you'll see an option called Import/Export. Go ahead and click on it. Now an import and export wizard window will pop up. This helpful tool guides you through the entire export process. From the list of actions presented, select Export to a file, then click Next to proceed to the next screen. You'll now see a file type selector. This step is crucial because you need to choose the right format that Excel can read. Select comma-separated values, which is the CSV format that Microsoft Excel works with perfectly. Once you've selected that option, click Next. The wizard will now display a list of all your Outlook folders. This is where you need to find your distribution list, which is stored in the Contacts folder. Locate Contacts from the list, click on it to select it, then click Next to continue. Now it's time to choose where you want to save your exported file. Click on the Browse button and a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate through your folders and select the destination where you want to store your distribution list. This could be your Documents folder, desktop, or any other location that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've chosen the folder, you'll need to enter a name for your exported distribution list. Choose something descriptive so you can easily find it later. After entering the name, click OK, then click Next. For the final confirmation step, you'll see a summary showing that you're exporting the Contacts folder. There will be a checkbox you need to click to confirm this action. Once you do, a header mapping window will appear. This allows you to configure how the fields from Outlook will match up with columns in Excel. Take a moment to review and map each field correctly to ensure your data transfers accurately. Once you've finished configuring the header mapping, click Finish. The export process will begin, and within moments, your distribution list will be ready. You can now open Microsoft Excel and access your distribution list using the CSV file you just exported from Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully exported your distribution list from Outlook to Excel, making it easy to work with your contacts in spreadsheet format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.